my vegan grilled cheese sandwich.
Wow. Hi, I'm Christina Avanti Fisher, and today I'm going to show you how I make my vegan grilled cheese sandwich with tomatoes and fresh oregano. You're going to love this recipe.
The pan is hot with just a little bit of water. I'm going to put it here. And what I like to do is I'm going to close the lid for about 30 seconds. That way it can breathe. And there you go. My vegan grilled cheese sandwich with tomatoes and fresh oregano.
Wow. So good. The vegan cheese is awesome. I hope you try this recipe. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a healthy day.